Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Ford Ranger headlights. First, park your truck on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tires are properly inflated to factory specifications. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific headlight assembly. This preparation ensures accurate and effective adjustments for optimal visibility. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer these measurements to your wall, creating horizontal lines with tape. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights and mark this width on the wall. These marks will serve as your precise guides for proper beam alignment. Now, locate the adjustment screws on your headlight assembly. There are typically two screws, one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. Use your screwdriver to turn the vertical screw, bringing the top edge of the low beam pattern to your marked line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam pattern between your vertical marks. Make small, precise turns. After making your adjustments, double-check both your low and high beams to ensure they are properly aligned. Take your Ford Ranger for a test drive at night to confirm the headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. If you experience any issues or are unsure, consider having a professional mechanic perform the final adjustments for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.